Throwing a spanner in the works. Understanding a common English idiom. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, throw a spanner in the works. This idiom might sound a bit strange, but it's commonly used in English-speaking countries. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. This idiom originates from the UK and it means to cause a disruption or create problems in a situation or plan. The word spanner is British English for what Americans call a wrench. Imagine throwing a wrench into a machine. It would cause the machine to stop working or get damaged. Similarly, when someone throws a spanner in the works, they are causing a disruption in a process or plan. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase. 1. In the workplace, we had a plan for the project, but the new regulations threw a spanner in the works. 2. In personal plans, we were planning to go on a trip this weekend, but the sudden rainstorm threw a spanner in the works. 3. In public events, the concert was going well until a power outage threw a spanner in the works. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to describe an unexpected problem that interrupts or complicates the situation. While throw a spanner in the works is the most common form, there are variations. For example, put a spanner in the works. This has the same meaning and is used interchangeably. Throw a monkey wrench into. This is an American version of the same idiom. Understanding these variations can help you recognize the phrase in different contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand the idiom, throw a spanner in the works. It's a handy phrase to describe disruptions or problems in plans, and now you can use it confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this idiom. See you in our next language learning adventure.